Awesome. And what's your name?
Hi, my name is Euridyce Stanley. I live in Brandon, Florida.
Awesome, awesome. So tell me a little bit about what brought you here today. And
I am here with my multifamily movement family, learning about these outstanding properties. I was one of the people who was blessed to learn about how to purchase a property through Jullien Gordon, and he has just changed my life. I am a retired Army veteran. I was able to purchase a $700,000 Quadruplex with a VA loan, and so that's going to change my life and my family's life. And through the teachings that he provided, I was also able to purchase a property across the street from Florida A&M University for my daughter to live in. So bought two properties in 1 month, and after we renovated it, now I have more than $1 million in property, and none of that would have happened without the support and inspiration and guidance of Jullien Gordon and being a part of the multifamily movement and learning from all of the family members every single day. It's been a true blessing.
I love it. Thank you so much.